Hello everyone. So in this video we will talk about Google Docs. Google Docs is a word processor included as a part of free web-based software offered by Google within its Google Drive. The Google Docs allows the users to create and edit files online while collaborating with other users in real time. So multiple people can work at the same time and every change is saved automatically. So now we will learn how to open the Google Docs. There are three ways to open the Google Docs. First way is through you open your Gmail account. It's opening, and then from these apps, Google apps, open these Google apps. Just scroll down and here this Google Docs, click here and Google document will open. Another method is through your Google Drive. Again you go back to your Google apps and here Drive, open the Google Drive. This Google Drive is open. Click on new button and this Google Docs, click here and this document will open where you can work. Another way is open your email account, Gmail account and open a new tab. Just type docs.google.com. And this Google Docs document will open. Now further how to work in this document. You start with a blank document. Click here. An untitled document will open. Now suppose my topic is ICT in education. This is my topic. I want to name this document. Once I click here on untitled document, this will be taken as my file name. So now you can work on this document just like your Word document. There is no need to save the changes. They will be automatically saved in your drive. Now how to share this document with other? You go to the share link, private to only me, share. Click here on this button. There are two ways to share this document. One is by email account, add people and groups. So click here and you can share it with people through their email. Suppose I have entered Anita Nangia, so it will go to her. I want to add other people. So suppose I want to add Nishu SKS, I click here. Now it asks if I want to add these people as editors or just as viewers or commenters. If I click here viewer, they will not be able to edit the document. They can only view the document. If I click here on commenter, they will be able to just comment on the document but will not be able to edit. If I click here on editor, so they will be allowed to edit this document. I can write here message. Suppose I put the message, please do the required changes. So if I send it, it will go to these people by email. Another way to share is through link. So get link. Again, I click it here. It will give me a link. Copy link, and anyone with this link will be able to view, comment or edit the document. If I click here as viewer, so anyone with this link can be able to view the document. If I click here commenter, any person with whom I share this link will be able to comment on this document. And if I click here on editor, so every person with this link will be able to edit the document. I can share this link with the group or with other people through WhatsApp or with other Telegram group or any other group. So this was all about how to share the document through Google Docs. In the next video, we will learn some other interesting features of this Google Docs. Thank you.